kaeru, to be able to buy. Kaeru, to be able to have animals. Kaeru, 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 kaeru. With u verbs, we can indicate ability by changing the u at the end of the verb into eru. For example, 買う turns into 買える. 買う turns into 買える. Please watch this video. So, you can say 猫 猫 means cat. 猫が飼える. 猫が飼える. Or we usually say 猫が飼える. Very flat. Both of them are good. 猫が飼える. 猫が飼える. To be able to buy cats. And 猫が飼える. 猫が飼える. Or some people say 猫が飼える. I'm not good. 猫が飼える. Flat and down. 猫が飼える. To be able to have cats. So, やったー猫が飼えるやったー猫が飼える That way. And if you watch my last video, you can guess. 猫が飼える can mean cats are frogs. 猫が飼える Cats are frogs. But we can understand the meaning by its context, so don't worry about the picture accent too much. Good luck with your study.